Hello there, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. So on this video, we're going to talk about Midjourney Alpha, new editing tool on the website. Now this is going to be the website. Now just to be clear, I have a video about this, especially the alpha mode right there if you're not familiar with it, so please check it out. Anyway, once we're here, I'm not going to beat around the bush, I'm going to go straight to it. I'm going to go to create right there. I'm going to use this photo as an example. Now once you're here, you're going to notice the options right there has been changed. Before they have the zoom, pan, and the works here. Now if you can see them right anymore, they should be around here. So we have the remix, pan, zoom, and the works there. The new thing in here is going to be the editor. So if you click on editor right now this is going to be inside the editor. From here, you can already scale it, zoom it out or zoom it in. You can move the photo as you see fit. Let me just reset everything. Perfect. Now there is two options here. We have an erase, as you can see here, where you can control the brush size also. Or let me just reset that one. We have a restore. I'm gonna explain this further later on, but for now let's focus on the scaling option. So as you can see, the scaling option right there is gonna be real-time changes. Of course, we also have this option right here where you choose 1x1, 4x3, 2x3, 9x16, and the works. I think I'm gonna go with the original scale here, 3x4. Now let's talk about the erase and restore feature. Before we get into that, there is gonna be a prompt here. Simple, a fun-loving dog wearing sunglasses. Now, what if I wanna change this one? So that will be erase. Make sure this is gonna be a large circle. So we're gonna have a lot of stuff to work with. I'm just gonna highlight each part of the dog here. So that will be right there, same drill. The point here is, we're gonna highlight everything. If you're familiar with in painting, in Midjourney, basically this is the same. So as you can see right here, we have successfully covered most of the dog. Now there's the restore option right here. Notice if I click on it, there is a transparency going on there. Because the purpose of restore is, for example, I want to restore the glasses only. I can do so with just the glasses. And then I'm going to erase the overlapping skin there to make sure only the glasses is being shown. Same drill here. Perfect. I think I overlapped that one too much. I think I'm going to show this piece right here. Same drill for that one. Perfect. Now let's focus on the prompt now. So that will be a dog. What if I click this one and change it to a cat? And click on submit. Now this should be reading it that everything except the glasses will be changed into a cat. I'm gonna get back to you once it's here. Now welcome back to the video. This is gonna be a result now. As you can see right here, the glasses is perfectly the same. However, the dog before, right now is the cat. How awesome is that, right? Of course guys, from here, you can also edit it as you see fit. For example, you want to erase everything one more time and change it maybe to a horse, to another dog if you may, or another color of a cat. That will be by your own imagination. As you see right here, this is going to be the awesome new tool inside Midjourney. So that being said, thank you so much for watching. Please hit the like button and subscribe. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Goodbye for now.